Open the printer cover. Make sure there are no debris on the printing platform. Check the power plug and turn on the main power switch. Turn on the emergency switch. At the same time, the display screen enters the initialization interface and make the carriage moves normally. There are no abnormal sounds or lags. After the movement of the carriage is completed, it will enter the standby interface. Check whether there is enough ink in the ink tank. Shake the ink before pouring to prevent sedimentation. Pour ink into the ink tank and be careful not to tighten the ink tank cap too tightly. Adjust white ink circulation switch to the 30% to 50% range. Lift the pinch roller. Install the DTF film into the take-up reel. Tighten the screws to prevent loosening. The film passes through the pinch roller to the suction platform. Manually pull out the film. Put down the pinch roller. Back alignment check. Move the platen sheet to press the edge of the film. Press half of the film edge. Click to RIP software. Import images into RIP software for processing. Print head cleaning. Print head cleaning completed. Test strip printing. Printing completed. The lines on the test strip are complete and clear, with no disconnection. The lines are broken, missing, or not printed. The distance between the printer and the powder shaker is about 20 centimeters. Turn on the heating switch and set heating temperature. Check whether the fan blades are operating normally. Moving film. Lift the pinch roller. Manually push the film into the powder shaker. Put down the pinch roller. Open the oven cover and place the film on the platform. Install the roller on the take-up reel. Tighten the screws to prevent loosening. Click to print software. Connecting the laptop to the printer. Connection completed. Set vertical count and vertical spacing. Import print files. Printing start. Adjust the powder speed and shake powder speed to the range of 3040. Adjust the position of the powder holder. Printing completed. Moving film. Cutting film. Manually pull the film to smoothly enter the powder shaker. When all the printed parts enter the oven, turn off the powder sprinkling and powder shaking. Roll up the film. Turn on the power switch and hydraulic switch. Set the temperature to 130 to 150 degrees Celsius and the time to 8 to 15 seconds. Prepare a t-shirt. Lay the t-shirt flatly on the silicone plate. Place the printed DTF film. Start pressing. Automatically lift after 15 seconds. Peel off the film.